Welcome to the biggest fufu party in Ghana, Akwaba. Fufu over the years has gained so much popularity, and not just Ghanaians but foreigners, diasporas have tried and fallen in love with fufu. Today we are not just celebrating fufu, but we are also celebrating Ghana's 66 years of independence with local live band performances and delicious Ghanaian food. Please give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this about Ghana. All this dress for fufu. Are you sure I'm not going somewhere? Please, you don't miss road. Go back home. The most interesting part of fufu is the process of making it. I'm always shocked at how Ghanaians pound fufu without hurting themselves, without crushing their hands. And I can't be the only one. Ghanaians, is this magic or is there a trick to how you do it? Or is it just a Ghanaian thing? Because I don't know if a foreigner can actually do what you're doing without hurting themselves. Please, Ghanaians, comment in the section below telling us how we can pound fufu like this without crushing our hands, and also the way this guy just made the fufu round and smooth. Oh my goodness, ready to eat. How do you do it? That must be a skill.
There is a mood and also, but don't be shy to face the wall if you like a contest. Now cut right. If you buy fufu, that was approaching. If you buy fufu, yeah, you have to buy the approaching. American Empire. Ladies and gentlemen, legendary Ninja is in the house.
This is also another Ghanaian dish, which is the peanut soup and also rice balls. You can eat it with banku too.
Welcome to the biggest fufu party in Accra. Lounge and Claire. Lord of His mercy, we are angel business today. The power soup is hot. That's why I ran it up here. And we'll bring on dry fish, chicken soup. Already activated up in here. Fufu and what's wrong that cool and almighty cocoa represented live.
If you don't have anything to offer, not actually an apple. So this is how the various tribes in Ghana encounter the American embassy interview. the first Gold Coast Adaha regiment formed up, ready for a high life troop. Mark.
So shortly after the music, the traditional live band started their own thing, and guys, this is the most interesting part of this video.
Okay. Well, this is what we call the authentic traditional band. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the ghanafufu band, all the way from British Accra. If you love what they are doing, you can show them some love. They've got some donation box here. If you want to show some love, you can just drop something in there for them. Yeah.
So guys, we are finally doing what we came here for, eating fufu. And yes, there are 3 rules to eating fufu. Number 1 rule, you don't use spoon to eat fufu, you use your hands, but you wash your hands first before eating. Number 2, you don't chew fufu, you swallow fufu. I'm laughing because I'm guilty of chewing fufu. Till date, I cannot swallow fufu, honestly. But that's not how you do it. You swallow fufu, okay? Don't be like me. And then number 3 is you only eat fufu with soups. You just don't eat it with stew or sauce, okay? You only eat it with soups. And the fufu has to be swimming in your soup, okay? Yes, that's the way you do it. Please let me know in the comment section below which part of this video you really like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of these videos about Ghana. See you guys in my next video. Bye.